You got to get her back in there. Yeah, just use the backdrop. Oh my! Damn. Good game.
Yeah.
I wish we were like able. I wish we could play this, but like be outside with them and like.
I mean, yeah.
Socialize, chill, like maybe like a life size.
Oh yeah,
Jenga that
that's
we
a
could
cute
like play,
idea. Yeah.
And like we could like incorporate like drinking into it.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Ty.
And I'm Gig. Oh.
And we're building giant Jenga today with JELLO shots.
So here's Gig getting us started on the miter saw. He's cutting this piece of 2x3s down to size. The 2x3s actually already have the correct width and thickness, which is about 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So we just need to cut these down to 7.5 inches. And so you only really need 5 boards for this, but I think we bought 6 just to be safe. We could use some scrap in case we needed it.
We got a lot of feedback about how people are afraid of us drinking.
Yeah, some guy said like people in Uruguay didn't want us to drink or something, so we're gonna have soda instead.
Yeah.
So we actually played a quick game with the pieces we cut without any finish or anything, just to see if it went well, and we liked the way it went. So we took them back over to the sander and we just sanded these things clean. They're really rough. They're meant for construction, so we just had to spend about an hour or two just sanding them down good.
I have to say, we're very disappointed in the build.
There's a little sawdust in my Coke.
I think you have Sprite, actually.
I do have Sprite.
But the thing is, we need the stakes to be higher.
We were playing the Jenga. Great game, fun game.
It's good.
We've all played it. I'm sitting there with Ty and I'm like, I feel like I want to up the ante.
Yeah, we wanted to bet on it, but then I said, why should we bet on it when we could just up the ante?
So we're going to show you how we take this from regular Jenga to hype Jenga.
Oh, yes.
So here I am drilling out material where the souffle cups will fit. These souffle cups can be used with JELLO shots, whatever you'd like in them. Unfortunately, the souffle cups are about 2.5 inches in diameter, and so is the piece of wood, so I had to use a 2.5 inch hole saw to make these cuts. And as you can see, it starts drilling out a little bit of the sides, but the piece was still intact, so I just took the biggest Forstner bit I had to drill out as much material as I could, just so I could fit those souffle cups in there nice. I had to end up with a chisel to poke out that last 2 pieces there.
All right, guys. S.E. Johnson, a family company. We have some of their good old paste wax here. Now, just so they slide nice and smooth as we're playing the Jenga, we're gonna just wanna apply a thin layer of this right onto these little chunk niblets of wood we have here, okay?
Just like Gig said, we applied some paste wax. We didn't want to do anything like polyurethane or lacquer in the event that these things fell on top of each other and scratched.
All right, let's do it.
So we assembled the structure and started playing with everyone. This is actually a 4th of July gathering, that's why everyone's all there. Except for Gig, I have no idea where he is. I think he took a walk or something, but he was back later. It was a really fun time, and I really enjoyed the build.
Oh yeah! I know we always say it was easy. Nothing. This one was actually easy.
If you like what you saw today, please like, comment, subscribe. Consider following our Instagram, Twitter, Jenga, AIM. We're on AIM. We have other videos just like this, and we have some tech videos, so you can check them out if you're interested. Woodworking one, 2 weeks from now is a backyard build. A week from now, we're gonna do a tech one. Gig's gonna put together a VCR. I'm gonna teach him what analog is.
We want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week with another build from Ty and Gig.
Build.
Don't miss out. Do not miss out.
So bad. It's gotta hurt.
And this is Ty and Gig builds.
Today we're making a Jenga wall, baby.